Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC-800052 indoor air quality monitor with color-coded display. The IC-800052 indoor air quality monitor measures carbon dioxide temperature and humidity and displays the collected information on a bright color-coded display. The unit is ideal for indoor spaces such as homes, offices, hotels and classrooms. The monitor features a maintenance-free carbon dioxide sensor, an on-screen trend indicator, an on-screen air quality status indicator, a real-time clock, and an alarm when user-set CO2 levels are exceeded. In the box, there's a USB-C cable. The device can be plugged into a computer or wall adapter plug, a complete instruction manual, and the IC-800052 indoor air quality monitor. It features 2 buttons on the front and the large display screen in the middle, the power port on the side, and on the back 2 keyhole hooks for mounting on a wall along with the device's serial number. To get started, plug the device in using the included USB-C cable. As the device switches on, it'll count down from 10. Once on, the screen displays all the necessary information about your indoor air quality, including the current carbon dioxide measurement up the top, the status of the CO2 concentration alarm buzzer, the default is off, a 24-hour trend history chart, the bar graph display indicates the status of CO2 records up to 24 hours, an emoji status for current CO2 levels. This will show happy, neutral or sad, depending on the current CO2 level. And last of all, across the bottom is the temperature, humidity, and the current time. And that's what comes in the box, and a quick overview of the IC-800052 indoor air quality monitor with color-coded display. To watch a video demonstrating how to set up this indoor air quality monitor, see the video linked below. Or for more information on the IC-800052, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.